Hi guys, in today's plant spotlight episode, we'll be featuring this piper plant. This is Piper crocatum or Piper ornatum. I'm not sure which is which because every time I Google this, it will throw out the same image. Okay, the Piper plant is from the family of Papyraceae and the genus is Piper. It is also commonly known as the syllabus pepper or siri merah, which means red bitter leaf in Indonesian. This piper is endemic to Peru and Ecuador in South America and is commonly found in the lowland of tropical rainforests. I got this plant I think sometime in August last year, and it was a really small plant, and look at this now. It's now a long trailing specimen, and it has even given me a new growth. When it arrived, it was on a stake, and some of the leaves were actually broken. I quickly cut it off and propagate it in water, and it has been really slow growing for me. I mean, for the cutting, not this plant. Check out these beautiful heart-shaped leaves with the pointed ends, and also these pink veins that pop out against the olive green color of the leaves. So it currently sits on top of my shelf, which is next to the balcony. So it receives a lot of indirect bright light, morning sun. Of course, it doesn't get any direct sun. It will burn these leaves. So, but it seems to like it. So bright indirect light is the way to go. For watering, I water it about once a week, and it is very vocal, it's very expressive. It will tell me if it needs water, because then the leaves will become very droopy. It will just fall flat, and I know it's time to water. But generally once a week is working for it. Okay, I didn't change the potting medium at all since I got it from the seller. It's in some kind of black soil, I don't know, that dries up pretty quickly. But it is okay, and I didn't really want to disturb the plant, so I'm just going to leave it. And it's in this plastic nursery pot. Maybe I will propagate it soon because it's really long, so I may change the medium as well, the potting medium, if I cut it. I don't know, I'll see how it goes. I've not really fertilized this plant other than some slow release fertilizer that I've added in, and also occasionally when I water the plant, I will add very mild liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks, and it seems happy. My humidity here is crazily erratic, so it ranges from 40s, 50s, 60s, all the way up to 80s, depending on the weather of the day. So but it doesn't seem to be affected by it. It's not fussy about humidity at all. I miss this, in fact I miss most of my plants once or twice a day, so I think it seemed to work for it. Thank you for watching this episode of Plant Spotlight. Hope you like my Piper crocatum. I hope to see you in my next video, and if you like my contents, I hope you can subscribe and also to comment and like my videos. Alright, that will greatly help to grow my channel, Guy with a Plant. And yeah, have a good day guys, and See you again. Bye.